We are all set up to do the Zoom in-office whitening procedure, which takes about an hour and 15 minutes and can whiten your teeth up to 8 shades. This is our patient Nikki, and before we get started, I'm going to use a shade guide to match the color of her teeth before the whitening procedure starts. I'll record that in her chart and also take pictures of that. Before I apply the bleaching gel, we actually use a polisher to polish the front facings of all of the teeth that are going to be bleached. We isolate all of the gum tissue and all around her lips with retractors and gauze. We cover the gums with a special gel that hardens after a light is turned on. This is to protect the delicate gum tissue during the procedure itself. The bleaching gel is applied to the teeth, and then I use a brush to actually smooth it all over to create a very thin smear layer over the front facings of all the teeth that are going to be bleached. Once the whitening gel is applied in a thin layer across the teeth, the zoom lamp is directed over her mouth, and it works in conjunction with the gel to accelerate the whitening process. The zoom light will stay directed at her teeth for 15 minutes, at which time I will ask her how she's doing. If she's not having any sensitivity, we'll progress to a second session. Typically, patients go through 3 sessions of zoom whitening to achieve the desired result. So, after the first 15-minute session, I actually remove the gel from her teeth, and we'll check the shade to see what the progress is, and then I'll apply fresh gel and go ahead and angle light back over her teeth for another 15-minute session. How are you doing, Nikki? Good. So Nikki completed almost 3 sessions with, at the end she had a little bit of sensitivity, which can be normal with whitening, so we're going to go ahead and check her shade and see what her end results are. Just like how we started, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the end result shade. This is the end result shade, and this is next to what the beginning shade was. So she whitened up quite a lot. So I'll go ahead and photograph that and record it in her chart, and she did great. Okay, so Nikki's getting a look at her whitened teeth for the first time. So what do you think?
I think they look really good.
They look awesome?
Yeah.
All right, good.
They lightened a lot.